Last night I was watching Tron with my young son, and a bit of a rite of passage really, just watching one of the classic films from the 1980s, and part of the soundtrack reminded me of a Commodore 16 plus 4 game called Exorcist. So I'm going to play you the bit from Tron first, and this is being sped up to 1.7 times normal speed. So I'm going to play that to you now, and then I'm going to switch over and play to you the Exorcist sound, and you tell me if got inspiration from watching Tron. Now I've been trying to find the actual music from Tron, the soundtrack, that has that particular bit in it, but I can't seem to find it anywhere. If anyone could post a message, then that would be great, and a link. But that's just my thoughts. I thought he might have just got a bit of inspiration from watching Tron. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.